In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark IV, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to choose Device Connection and tap on Pair New Device. After that, just wait for available ones to show and click on the chosen one. Then wait for the pop-up and select Pair. Now wait for the other device to accept your connection request, and as you can see, my smartphones were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them by using this gear icon next to the device, choosing Forget and confirming your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to connect again, tap on Pair New Device and click on the device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!